Hi everyone, grade 6 English. Welcome all of you. We are doing page number 5. Sudeva, Vismi, Yoga, Raj, Abdul, Hafsa and a few other friends arranged their classroom. Let's read the role play. Raj, teacher asked us to form 5 groups. Sudeva, how can we do that? Raj, give me the register. Hassa, here you are. Raj, thank you. We have 30 in our class. That means 6 in one group. 6 in one group? Yes. Then there are 5 groups. Thank you, Yoga, for helping me. You are welcome. Who will make the cleaning chart? I think you should do it, Sudeva. You are the monitor. It's all right. I'll do it. Thank you, Vismi. It's really nice of you. It's my pleasure. After all, we are in the same class. Yes, we are in the same class. You are right. We should help each other. Then, how many characters are there in this role play? Think. Then, teacher asked us to form 5 groups. Teacher අහවල අපිට group 5ක් හදන්න කියලා. How can we do that? අපි කොහොමද ඒක කරන්නේ? Give me the register. මට register එක නාම ලේඛනය දෙන්න. Here you are. ආමෙන්න. Thank you. We have 30 in our class. අපේ class එකේ ළමයි 30ක් ඉන්නවා. That means 6 in one group. එක group එකකට ළමයි 6 දෙනා බැගින් තමයි group හදන්න වෙන්නේ. 6 in one group 6 දෙනෙක් එක group එකක. Yes. Oh. Then there are 5 groups. එතකොට group 5ක් හැදෙනවා. Thank you Yoga for help me. මට ඔබට ස්තුතියි මට උදව් කරාට Yoga. You are welcome. Who will make the cleaning chart? කවුද පිරිසිදු කිරීමේ chart එක හදන්නේ? Table එක හදන්නේ? I think you should do it, Sudeva. You are the monitor. මම හිතන්නේ සුදේව ඔයා තමයි ඒක කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා තමයි නායකයා. මෙහෙම කියන්නේ කවුද? Abdul. It's all right. I will do it. හරි මම ඒක කරන්නම්. Thank you, Vismi. It's really nice of you. Thank you, Vismi. It's my pleasure after all. We are in the same class. ඒක මට සතුටක්. අපි දෙන්නම ඉන්නේ අපි හැමෝම ඉන්නේ එකම පන්ති එක. Yes, we are in the same class. ඔව් අපි ඉන්නේ එකම පන්තියේ. You are right. We should help each other. ඔයා හරි. අපි හැමෝම එකිනෙකාට උදව් කරගන්න ඕනේ. After that, students, let us see the activity. Okay? Put a tick in the box if you say thank you to the following. හරි ලකුණක් දාන්න ඔයා මේවට thank you කියලා කියනවා නම්. This is activity 4. Wait, I'll help you. ඉන්න මම ඔබට උදව් කරන්නම්. What's the time now? දැන් වෙලාව කීයද? Your dress is so beautiful. ඔයාගේ ඇඳුම හරි ලස්සනයි. Can you give this to me? ඔයාලට පුළුවන්ද මේක මට දෙන්න? Here you are. Use this pen. මෙන්න මේ පෑන පාවිච්චි කරන්න.